Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix location restrictions on the Walmart app. First, open your phone settings, use the search bar at the top, and type Walmart to quickly find the app. Tap on it to open the app settings. Look for the option called location. If it's set to never, that's why you're using restrictions. Change it to while using the app or ask next time or when I share. Make sure precise location is toggled on. This allows the Walmart app to detect your exact area so you can shop without errors. Once you go back, the changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. That's how you fix location restrictions on the Walmart app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.